All of you. Hello everyone. Acha kids, today we are going to learn one new pattern writing. Okay, as you all know, we did different lines. We did different pattern of writing in our previous classes. Remember? Today we are going to learn one more new pattern writing. So first of all, shall we revise which lines we did in the previous classes? आपको याद है हमने कौन कौन सी लाइंस करी थी? चलिए एक बार इसका रिवीजन करते हैं. ओके बेबीज़, तो आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट इट फ्रॉम आवर फर्स्ट वन. दैट इज, which line is this, students? Yes, this is standing line. This is standing line. This is standing line. This is standing line. Okay, now the next. Which line is this? This is sleeping line. This is sleeping line. Now the next. This is slanting line. This is slanting line. We did two types of slanting line, from this to this. Then another one is just opposite to it. Okay. This is from left to right, and this is from right to left side. Okay, we did this two kind of slanting lines, remember? Then we did curve. We did curve lines. Yes, also we did two types of curve lines, this one and another one is just opposite to it, this one. Yes, we did these two curves, remember? Chaliye, these are the lines we did in our previous classes. Now today we are going to do one more new pattern writing. We are going to learn how to write this pattern writing. Okay babies, so shall we start this one? Can you see this? This is our new pattern writing. Acha babies, how we make it? Wait, I'm going to tell you. Can you see these curves here? Again, we did these curves in the previous classes. Now this one and this one. Can you see these curves here? A same curve is there. This and this. Can you see these curves? This one and this one. In this pattern, we have just joined two curves. This curve, ये वाला curve, then just इसके ये ending से ही हमने एक और same curve यहाँ पे ऐसे बना देना है. Okay baby, this is our new pattern. Okay, today we are going to learn how to write this new pattern. Can you see these butterflies here? How our pattern is looking like? Can you see? Don't you think our pattern is looking like just like wings of these butterflies? Can you see? Again, the wings of the butterfly, one curve and then second curve, right? It is so amazing now that we can make different drawings with the help of these curves. Remember, we did different drawings now. We did one drawing with the help of this standing and sleeping line and slanting line. We have made pencil in our previous class. Then we have made the hut in the previous class. Then we made an apple with that curves, remember? So it is so amazing that we can make different drawings also with the help of these curves. You can't even, you can make different numbers, shapes and sword and alphabets with the help of these curves. Also you can make drawing with the help of these curves. Okay babies, so can you see? It is so simple that with the help of these pattern we can make the wings of the butterfly. है ना? अगर हम ये पैटर्न्स बनाना सीख जाएंगे तो हम ये बटरफ्लाई के विंग्स भी बना लेंगे, राइट? Can you see this? Yeah, this curve and this curve. And the same one opposite side. है ना? It is so simple. It is so simple. Like the one wing is there. Another I can make one curve. Then a second curve. And the wing is ready. Wow. See, this butterfly is having one wing. Can you draw another one? Yeah, I can. This wing, then this wing. Yay! Now the butterfly is having her both wings. Remember, butterfly is having two wings now. Now she is complete. This is so simple. Okay, so you want to learn this pattern? How we can write this pattern? Yes, we can write it. It is very easy. As we did the curves before, this is as simple as like a curves. There are only two curves here. We just have to join two curves. Oh, so sorry. It is wrong. We have to write on the dots. We have to trace it very nicely and neatly. है ना कि babies? Very good babies. I know you all are very good. You always follow my instructions. You always follow me. है ना? Can you see this? Kids, you are having 4 lines in your notebook and also in your pattern writing. So we are not going to write on this line. We are not going to write on this line. We are going to write only on these 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. There 1, 2, 3. Okay, babies. Again, like this, then like this. It is so easy, right? Can you see another one? Like this, then like this. It is so easy. One curve, one round curve, and another round curve. हो गया, है ना? And it is so simple when you just have to trace it. जब आपको सिर्फ trace करना है तो ये कितना simple हो जाता है. One curve, then another curve. Okay? One curve, then another curve. One curve, then another curve. One curve, then another curve. This is how we make the wings of the butterfly. This is how we write these pattern. This is how we write this pattern. It is so simple. I know you all loved it. I know you all enjoyed it. Okay, now you're going to practice it in your pattern writing book. Okay, here is your pattern writing book. Can you see this? Can you see this pattern writing? Yeah, it is on page number 26. It is on page number 26. The same butterflies are there. You just have to draw the wings. You just have to trace these pattern here. Okay, and then you have to draw the wing of these butterflies. Can you complete them? How will they fly with only one wing? है ना babies? They can't fly with only one wing ना. So please help them to fly properly and give them one more wing. Just draw one more wing so that they can fly nicely. And you have to draw it with the crayon colors. You're going to love it. Okay? Draw it with the crayon colors. Okay babies? So I hope you loved it. I hope you enjoyed it. In your next class, I'm going to tell you which alphabet we are going to make with the help of this pattern. Okay, babies? So please do practice it nicely and neatly. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Take care.